Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and we managed to survive the winter storm of Landon, which certainly was not nearly as bad as what we had this time last year. Um, the really only lasting effects that seems like we're going to have from that is that our lawns and our landscapes got some extra water, which they certainly needed after all those weeks of drought. As we look past that, it's now time for us to focus in on February and March. And what we're focused in on is trimming back perennials, anything like, say, canna lilies or some of the other plants that have died back. It's a good time of year to go ahead and cut those back. You can trim crepe myrtles. The one thing you want to avoid though is please don't do the famous crepe myrtle. You really don't want to just chop those down to half their height. You should only be trimming those with any limbs that are larger than a pencil. The other things that lawn-wise that we're focused in on is we're now putting out a pre-emergent in the lawns for spring and on into summer weeds, and we're also putting out a post-emergent or a broadleaf weed control. So those are the things that we are focused in on over the next few weeks. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also forward these on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green, where we grow plants, grow people, and growing relationships.